Hello everyone, today I will show you how to lock Facebook profile on iPhone. And here's how it is done. Start by tapping on your profile icon at the bottom right of Facebook. Then tap on the gear icon in the top right. If you are in a country where profile locking is available, you will see the lock profile option under Audience and Visibility. Next, tap on Followers and Public Content. Here, you can limit the visibility of various sections of your profile. For example, you can change your public profile setting from public to friends and adjust who can comment or see your post. Set who can see your followers and who can follow me to friends as well. Once you've done that, go back and tap on profile and tagging. You will want to adjust settings like who can post on your profile and who can see what others post on your profile to friends or only me, depending on how private you want your profile to be. Continue through these settings to restrict access as much as you like. After this, tap on Post Settings. You can choose to limit future posts to friends, only me, or friends of friends. And you can also adjust the visibility of past posts. By selecting Limit Who Can See Past Posts, you can make all your old posts visible only to friends. To make sure everything is locked down, go back to your profile. Tap the three dots next to Edit Profile and select View As. This allows you to see your profile from a public perspective. You should see that no posts are visible and only a few photos, like your cover photo, are visible. This confirms that your profile is fully locked and private. And that is everything you need to know about how to lock Facebook profile on iPhone. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.